So you have just landed in Canada and you're a little bit confused of what are the things that are essential for you guys to do. In this video, we'll be going over some of the stuff that are necessary for new immigrants to integrate. But before we get into it, guys, please take a second to hit that subscribe button, smash a like on the video, and drop a comment. Alright guys, come along. You have just arrived in Canada. Congratulations. First thing you want to do after grabbing your luggage and everything is to get acquainted with your new environment. You might be a little bit surprised if it is that this is your first time traveling, but don't worry. Canada is just like any other country, which consists of people. So don't be afraid. Be bold, be brave, and know that you can do anything. Anything is possible. Now, walking out, you might be so shocked that the air in Canada is a little bit colder than in your home country. Canada is located in North America, so one of the things that you want to do is to make sure that you're prepared for the weather in any eventuality. So take a jacket with you just in case you need it. Or you might be shocked that Canada can also be pretty warm depending on when you land. After landing, you want to make sure that you have somewhere to live. I usually advise new immigrants to have accommodations arranged before landing in Canada. Now, this is what an apartment typically look like. You have good, and you also have bad. Now, the price ranges depending on the type of apartment, the location of the apartment, the amount of rooms of the apartment, and all of the above. So choose wisely. Just like everything else, you have good, better, and best. After getting an apartment, the next thing you're going to want to do is to get your SIN number. This is your social insurance number, which you can get by visiting any Service Canada location in Canada.
Good day.
Good day, how are you?
Not bad, and
So I'm a new comer to Canada, and I'm wondering about your phone plans.
you? Absolutely, sure. So, just to understand, you don't have any other lines here, right?
No, I have no free.
Fresh from America?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Perfect. So, I just wanted to understand first, what do you require?
Internet,
Okay.
international calls if possible,
Okay.
and local calls.
Oh,
Text.
okay.
Yeah.
How important it is for you to actually get the international
I have my family back home, so I'm just
in
wanting,
Jamaica?
yeah.
Okay. So, here's the thing.
Or internet. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Or internet.
Here's what I do have here. We actually offer here Bell and Virgin, and we have different types of plans that we could offer you right now.
What is the cheapest?
Oh, so the cheapest with the best unlimited data that you can get right now is with Bell. We do have a $39 that gives you 60 gigs of unlimited data, unlimited talking, texting plan, and that supports 5G network as well. So it's actually a really fast internet connectivity. And like I said, that's unlimited, so you don't have to worry about getting charged or getting billed for exceeding the limit. So.
Okay, suppose I have my phone from back home. Can I use it here, like an iPhone?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. As long as your phone's actually unlocked, definitely you don't have to worry about it.
So do I need a credit check or SIN number or even something to prove that I can afford to pay my bill or something?
Good question. So I think you're trying to understand if what are the documentations
Yes.
you would require, especially you're a newcomer?
Yes.
Okay. First thing, as a newcomer, depending, we gotta evaluate what type of permit are you holding right now. So if suppose you're a student on a student, not student plan, sorry, student permit or on a work permit. So basically your passport and your visa or study permit will actually work for us on a bring your own device plan, which means no contract is allowed until now. Because since you are fresh in Canada and you need to actually build your credit history in order to get on a financing option, like if you want to own a phone,
Yeah.
right? So That's for the study permit and for work permit holders. For a tourist, so if you're coming here as a tourist, unfortunately, I don't want to drop you the bad news, but if you're on a tourist, you can't actually get a month-to-month plan or a bring your own device plan that gives you those data and unlimited talking texting.
Yeah.
However, what we could set you up is a prepaid plan for being a tourist. Yeah.
For your time, and I think I'll go ahead with the cheapest.
You'll go ahead with that
cheapest.
$39 plan? Sure, absolutely. And here's a good thing. So since we just started like about 9 months ago here at Staples, so we are actually giving a $50 Staples gift card for every activations. So that gives an extra value for what you're paying.
Oh, awesome.
And there's no connection fee at the moment.
Awesome.
Now it's time to get yourself a bank account. You've gotten your SIN, you've gotten your phone plan. Now it's time to open a bank account so you can start getting paid. A lot of times new immigrants don't drive immediately, so understanding the bus system is very important for your transition. Each number bus takes you to a different location, so one of the first things you want to do is to download the bus schedule so you can know what number bus takes you to your required destination. Now each city in Canada has a different system for buses. I want to say a huge thank you to all the persons who are still here watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe before you leave. Smash a like on the video and drop a comment. Let us know what you think of not only this video, but all the other videos on our channel. If you have gotten approval to come to Canada, congratulations. It's a wonderful opportunity. And I wish you guys all the best on your journey. Now, the success of your transition really depends on how you start your journey. Now, these are just some of the things that we suggest that you do, but everyone's case is different. Everyone's scenario is different. Now, these are the general things that you're going to want to do. You're going to want to start a bank account. You're going to want to get a phone plan. You're going to have to understand the transportation system. You're going to have to get an apartment, and you're going to have to get adjusted to the weather. So these are just some of the tips that we would like to share with you guys. If you guys have any other tips, feel free to drop it down in the comment section. Also, if you guys have any questions, feel free to throw it out as well. My name is Dems. I'm a Jamaican who migrated to Canada back in 2019 with my beautiful wife, and we are now celebrating our 5th year in Canada in 2024, and our lives has been transformed upon our transition to Canada. So you guys will also have a successful transition as well. Again, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.